Ito po ang DT8 machine dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Ako po si Felix Marauda, DT8 operator ng Honjet. Araw-araw naman po itong nagagamit na may 63 meters kaming nairan na soap this week. Ito po ang heads, capping. Last na palitan yung heads nito nung September 19 this year. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang main system ay tama lang. Racing tank naninis ng Friday. Ground wire. AVR. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito yung consumables na gamit namin ng isang powder at isang cleaning solution. Inventory po yung nagamit sa resin powder. Cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.